Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel, ThePokeNoobUK, and I've got the Ho-Oh box that I'm opening now. So I've already opened the Lugia one, and I don't think it would take much to beat that box, since a holo would do to beat it, to be honest. So I'll just get right into it. Try not to rip this one open, and what do, I rip it. So again, got another poster. I suppose I could use one of these posters for a background in a video at some point. Try this out without damaging it at all. There you go. The Ho-Oh card. Very nice. I've always loved Ho-Oh. It's always been my favourite out of the two legendary birds for the Heart Gold Soul Silver series. So it's great to have that. And again, we've got our two Pokemon Organised Play packs and the two Heart Gold Soul Silver packs. Strangely enough, exactly the same artwork as the Lugia box. So, as in the last video, I'll open these first, get them out of the way. Got a Psychic Energy, Piplup, and Baneri. Got a Lightning Energy again, Pikachu, and another Piplup. That's out the way of those packets. First Heart Gold Soul Silver pack. God, that just ripped right open. Got a Slowpoke, a Jigglypuff, Execute, Volbix, Centric, Unknown, Skiploom, Energy Switch, my reverse is a Delibird, my rare, oh nice, Ampharos, not the Ampharos pack. Still no holo though, so let's see if this pack can be the saving grace. Come on. Strangely enough, I'm not nervous in this video. I was in the tin opening. I don't think it showed. Right. Execute, Magikarp, Ledibah, Hoppit, Clefairy, my trainer's bill. Oh, I just saw something. Metapod, Energy Switch, nice, Magnanium Prime, very nice. So I got my Prime pull, I'm happy about that. Right, my last one, Typhlosion, awesome. Very nice. So this pack definitely beat the last one, I can say that for sure. So, if we can review the cards. I'll do the promo card first this time. Of course, there's the promo Ho-Oh. Delibird, reverse. Ampharos Prime, it's normal rare, non-holo. I don't know if you can get it holo or not. I've got my list, as well as the Typhlosion, but I haven't checked it. And the Magnanium Prime, very nice. My first Prime pull ever. Right, brilliant. Really happy with that. Right guys, same as normal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate, share the video. I need the views as normal. And I'll see you in the next video where hopefully it will be another tin. Maybe it will just be a couple of packs. I don't know just yet. Yeah, bye.